was you eating these poor little baby chicks?
What are you doing?
Recording my cat eating baby chicks. Look like a raccoon. Look at that. If you hear that, there was someone yelling. I guess someone just stole someone's clothes. What's a baby clothes? Hi, Kitty. Oh my, whoa, you just ripped it apart. Oh, but no, I'm not gonna show that. You just, no, I'll just eat it. Kitty. I don't have anything for you. Look what you just ate. Actually, is there a bird nest? Is there a bird nest up there? Kitty, what's wrong? Kitty. Yeah, that's just. Look, can see, let me see. Drop it out of your fat mouth. You're that hungry you ate it whole. Don't lick the phone, Kitty, with your nasty tongue. Alright, well.